The expulsion of behavior is often our way of dealing with the unconscious message, usually a negative one, that may well have been set down in childhood. Now, how can we get a message which says, you haven't got that in on time, you're a failure, no one likes you? Because parents don't tend to say that to you. Well, hopefully they don't. But what they might have said to you is, Audrey, you're so smart. You hand everything in on time. You got it right first time. Well done. That's absolutely brilliant. Or your teachers might have said, look at Audrey. She always hands her work in on time. Be more like her. That's amazing. What does Audrey start thinking? I'm only of value if I hand my work in on time. I'm only of value if I get it right. I'm only of value if I do my work. Same thing. What if you were always told you're so helpful? Or you're so pretty? Or you're so funny? Unconsciously, what we start thinking, the strategies, the rules we start laying down, I'm not of any value unless I'm funny. I'm not worth anything unless I look pretty. I'm not good enough unless I'm smart. And that causes us problems.